Hey, who wants to see the magic of the dental Shaman Ozone water flosser? All the tips and the tools and the ideas that I feel are so special about this most magical of water flossers. So you'll see in the pack when it arrives, you have a manual that's also on a PDF on the website, the water flosser itself, and a pack of tricks that include the cleaning tube, which I will demonstrate in just a moment. It will also include 3 tips and a little spoon. Now the little spoon is for people who don't want to use the tap water. You see, it's an electrolytic ozone machine, meaning it needs minerals to ozonate the water. So if you're going to use non-tap water, you either use mineral water, bottled water, spring water, full of beautiful minerals, or if you're distilling your water using reverse osmosis, anything like that, you'll need to add salt to your water. And there's a little spoon. And you can just add that little spoonful into your water, mix it thoroughly before you ozonate. Then there's 3 tips, standard tip, an under the gum tip, and a brush tip, which is quite useful for like braces and things like that. Okay. What I also want to share with you is how to use the telescope action of the reservoir. My suggestion is you always keep it vertical and on a hard surface, and just withdraw up and then intrude. And if it's not really moving, it's because the seal, the rubber seal, is too tight. So just release the seal so the air can draw in and out. Then it's really easy. I had one person pull the top off, and we found out that she'd had it totally wedged in, so there was no seal. There was complete seal and therefore no release of air possible. So just release off the rubber valve and away we go. Around the back is the charging port, which again is rubber based. And what's really important about that is when we put the USB cable in, or the charging cable, that we keep the water out from the charging zone. My advice to anyone and everyone, when you get this brand new, is charge it for 4 hours, but do not leave it unsupervised. All charging products are a fire hazard. And when you're not using it, like with mobile phones, just disengage the cable and you'll be safe. And then when you're using it, make sure the rubber seal is back in. Okay. And to add the water, you open the bigger rubber seal here and just fill either with a device or straight from the tap. I personally have no problem using tap water. Yes, it's not full of great stuff, but when it's ozonated, it's still doing magical things. And the beauty of this is you can use this anywhere, anytime, any place. So, how do we put a tip in? Very straightforward. Little nozzle on the side there. Give that a press, and it comes out. Keep it pressed in, so you can insert it, and then you release. Then on the side, there's the on-off button on the top, and then the lower button is the kind of select mode for the 4 different settings, different speed and pulse settings for your water flosser. Now, the final magic coup is because this is creating ozone water, all you need to do to clean this device is just bring it round, attach one end to the tip, and then the other end just goes into the water, like so. And when you switch it on, the water just pumps around beautifully. It's a 3-minute cycle. So the ozone water is flushing all the internal components and ultimately sterilizing also the reservoir. Just press it again, switch off if you don't want to wait the 3 minutes. Some people ask, can you take the reservoir off? Simple answer is yes. You just give it a little tug. Try to avoid any extreme kind of bendy action on it. You just kind of release it, fantastic. If you bend it too much, you may crack it, but I have accessories now on the website, so you can order any accessories. Some people seem to lose things, so go on the website, you'll see there's an assortment of all the components and then individual components that can be ordered if ever you lose things, break things. I had somebody, it fell over and the tip was still in and it cracked in the side. We managed to get the broken piece out, but ultimately just needed a new spare tip, and that was easy to organise now off my website. All right, so I hope you find these tips useful. And I know so many people are using this, and so many people are giving me amazing stories of oral health transformation. And right now I'm just so excited about life. We just had the summer solstice and decided to put amazing offers on my website, shop.thedentalshaman.com. So go check out the offers and catch you soon, and smile so healthy. Much love, Marc.